What if 2026 inflation steals $10,000 from your pocket, but you can turn it into $500,000 plus?
Imagine turning 2026's inflation nightmare into a $10,000 plus savings bonanza, or even $500,000 wealth over time. With AI exploding to $515 billion in investments and energy costs skyrocketing, 99% of Americans are losing money daily. But you can beat it with AI stocks, green finance, and simple hacks. In this 25-minute guide, learn exact steps to protect your wallet, invest smart, and thrive in the new economy. Ready to make big money moves? Let's start with today's top economic threats. First threat, sticky inflation at 2.6 to 3.4%. Your $100 grocery bill jumps $8 yearly. Affordability crisis hits hard. Healthcare up 8.5%. Electricity for 0.2% from AI data centers. 70% of Americans struggle, but here's the fix: track expenses to save to $100 a month. Use Mint app, open it, link accounts, see where money leaks. Question: what's your biggest cost? Comment below. Why care? Job growth near zero by 2027 from AI displacement. Your career at risk. But US GDP 2.5 to 2.8% strong from AI capex. Solution: diversify income. Start side hustle for $20, $50 day. Example: Upwork app, search beginner jobs, apply fast. Teaser: next, AI investments to multiply your money. AI trend number 1, $515 billion capex, make $10,000 plus from robo-advisors. Step 1, open Betterment app, sign up. Step 2, choose AI funds like ARK. Step 3, invest $100 monthly to 10 to 15% return. This beats job loss. Skill up with Coursera AI courses. Diversify for big gains. 50% AI stocks, 30% bonds. Use Vanguard app. Search ETFs, buy green ones. Example: ARKK Outlook 25% growth. This solves 35% recession risk, stable returns even in downturns. Energy crisis: electricity plus for 0.2%, but green investments return 8 to 12%. Step 1, Robinhood app open. Search green ETFs. Step 2, buy ICLN for tax benefits. Step 3, invest in solar to 20% ROI over 5 years. Real examples: Tesla stock for green tech, Nextera for renewables, $3 trillion green funds by 2026. This solves high energy costs. Diversify to beat tariffs plus 2% inflation impact. Daily hack number 1, 50-30 it's A20 rule: minus 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Use Acorns app. Auto save roundups. Save to $100 a month easily. This fights affordability crisis head on. Hack number 2, Roth IRA $7,000 yearly for tax-free growth. App demo: open Roth in Vanguard. Contribute monthly. Hack number 3, HSAs for health for $1,000 tax savings. Beat debt crisis. Global threats: tariffs, multipolar world. Diversify with stablecoins for cross-border savings, $100 a transaction. Use Coinbase app, buy USDC. This secures your money in uncertainty. Recap: beat inflation with AI $10,000 plus, green finance 8 to 12% returns, hacks to $100 a month savings. Start today. Download apps. Invest $100. Your wealth plan for 2026. Build $500,000 plus wealth in 2026 using these strategies. Comment 2026 plan to get a free PDF. Like and share if this helped. Subscribe for more money moves. Thanks for watching. Make those moves today.
Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and make moves today.
Bye, everyone!